At the doctor. Hi, doctor.
Hello, what seems to be the problem today?
I haven't been feeling well for the last 3 days.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel very tired.
Do you also have a fever?
Yes, a little. I checked this morning.
Alright, let me check your temperature first.
Okay.
Open your mouth, please.
Ah.
Your throat is a bit red. Have you been coughing?
Yes, mostly at night.
Are you taking any medicine right now?
Just some painkillers from the pharmacy.
Did they help?
Not really.
Have you been drinking enough water?
Probably not.
You need to rest more and drink plenty of fluids.
I've been very busy with work lately.
Your body needs a break. Stress can make things worse.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to give you some medicine for your throat and cough.
Do I need antibiotics?
No, I don't think so. It looks like a common viral infection.
How long will it take to get better?
Usually a few days if you rest properly.
Can I still go to work tomorrow?
I'd recommend staying home for at least one day.
All right.
Also avoid cold drinks for now.
That's hard. I love iced coffee.
Just for a couple of days.
Fine, I'll try.
Do you have any allergies?
No, none.
Good. I'll write the prescription for you.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Thanks, have a nice day.
You too.
At the pharmacy. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a prescription from my doctor.
Let me see it, please.
Here you go.
All right. Give me a minute.
Sure.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not.
Okay, your medicine will be ready in a few minutes.
Thanks.
While you wait, do you need anything else?
Actually, yes. Do you have something for headaches?
Of course. Do you prefer tablets or capsules?
Tablets are fine.
This one is very popular.
Okay, I'll take it.
Anything else today?
Maybe cough drops too. My throat hurts a little.
These honey lemon ones work well.
Great.
Your prescription is ready now.
Nice. How often should I take this medicine?
Twice a day after meals.
Morning and evening?
Exactly.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel sleepy, so avoid driving if possible.
Good to know.
Also drink plenty of water.
All right.
Your total is $26.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Please tap your card.
Done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.